Baking a perfect chocolate cake is a delightful process that combines simple ingredients to create a rich and decadent dessert. With a few key steps and some expert tips, you can make a cake that will impress your friends and satisfy your sweet tooth. Start by gathering all the necessary ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, eggs, milk, butter, and baking powder. Preheat your oven and prepare your baking pans by greasing them to prevent the cake from sticking. Next, combine the dry ingredients in a mixing bowl: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and baking powder. Mix them thoroughly until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients: eggs, milk, and melted butter. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing them until a smooth batter forms. Pour the batter into your prepared baking pans and smooth the tops with a spatula. Place the pans into the preheated oven and bake for the recommended time. It's essential to check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Once the cakes have cooled, it's time to frost them. You can choose from a variety of frosting options, such as buttercream or ganache. Spread a thick and even layer of frosting on the top of one cake layer, then carefully place the second layer on top. Continue frosting the sides and top until the cake is fully covered. To add a decorative touch, you can pipe additional frosting on top or add chocolate shavings. Let your creativity shine here. Finally, slice a generous piece of your homemade chocolate cake and savor every bite. The tender and moist texture, coupled with the rich chocolate flavor, is sure to please anyone with a sweet tooth. Baking the perfect chocolate cake requires patience and attention to detail, but the end result is definitely worth it. So, grab your apron and get ready to indulge in a slice of chocolatey heaven.